Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to go live on TikTok. So before we start, it's important to mention that there are some requirements if you want to go live, and the first one is that you must be at least 18 years old, and the second one is that your account needs at least 1,000 followers to access the live feature. So let me show you how to do it. If you meet those requirements, then you have that feature. So open TikTok on your device, and then at the bottom center of your screen, here you see plus sign, and here you need to swipe until you see the live option. And then enter the title for your live. This is the title that will describe your live. Basically, this will help attract viewers. Next, if you want to, it's optional thing. You can choose your cover image and apply some filters and effects to your live. And eventually tap go live button once everything is set. So that's how you can go live on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.